So, you want more leads for your cleaning business. Today I'm going to share 4 tips that guarantee more leads for any cleaning business, no matter where you are in the process. Hi, I'm Joe from Everest Microbial Defense. Here at Everest, we have nearly 20,000 contacts and 11,877 paying customers. I'm not bringing this up to brag. I'm not bringing this up to flex or to tell you how successful we've been. What I want to assure you is that what we're going to share with you today works. These lead generating tips are things that we use here at Everest every single day, and we will continue to use them because we know it works. To get more leads, you've got 2 main objectives. Objective number 1 is to generate awareness, and objective number 2 is to generate trust. Your prospects need to know you exist, and they need to trust you before they're going to be willing to give you their email address. Now you may be thinking, man, I just don't have time when I'm out on the job and when I'm trying to service other clients. Well, when you're not on the job, this is your job now. In order to grow your cleaning business, you're going to need new leads coming in every single day. When it comes to getting leads, I like to think about them in 2 different pools. There's either leads that you go out and buy in the form of a list, or there's a list that you own yourself. Now, a word of caution before moving forward with a purchased lead list, it's not my favorite way to get leads. You can end up with a lot of irrelevant clients on there. You can end up with even dead email addresses that don't exist. On the other side of the coin is a list that you own. Now, this is by far my favorite way to go about this. The great thing about these contacts is that they've agreed to be marketed to, and we know that they're at least somewhat interested in the products and services that we provide. If you want to get an email address, you're going to have to give something of value, okay? You can't just go out and say, hey, I would like your email address so I can market my cleaning business to you. It doesn't work that way. The reason I advocate for going after email addresses rather than a physical address is that you can market to those email addresses for free. Tip number 1 is to create valuable content. We talked earlier on about your 2 main objectives. Objective number 1, generate awareness. Objective number 2, generate trust. Creating valuable content is the perfect way to tackle both of those objectives in a single stroke. My favorite form of valuable content is what you're seeing here. Long-form video content found on YouTube. Why? Especially from the position you're in as a cleaning business, you can provide value through answering questions of those searching on YouTube. This YouTube video, for instance, this is Everest's own way of creating long-form content to try to establish trust in a very crowded industry. We know that before you're going to try our products, you need to trust us. We know that before you sign up for the Peak Health Advantage system, you need to trust us. We can't expect to get an email address or to get a customer without providing something of value, without providing things that go far beyond just our products and services. We want to provide value to you first. If you're getting value out of this video, we ask that you go down below, drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notifications so you never miss a future video. Also, let us know in the comments what other topics you're interested in. Let us know what else you would like us to cover and what else we can help you with from a cleaning business perspective. Let's take a carpet cleaning business, for example. What do you think those ideal customers are looking for on YouTube? They're asking questions like, what's the best vacuum to get pet hair out of my carpet? Or how do I get a red wine stain out of my carpet? If you can provide the answers to those questions, your ideal prospects searching for those answers are going to be thinking of you as the authority in that space, as the authority when it comes to carpet cleaning. So, who do they turn to when they're ready to hire a carpet cleaner to come professionally clean their carpets? You. The idea is to meet your ideal customer where they are and become a voice of expertise so that they learn to trust you. Start thinking about what kinds of questions your customers would be asking when you're not there performing your cleaning services. If you can do that frequently enough, you can start dropping in little marketing messages in all of your videos. Hey, we have a carpet cleaning business. Hey, we have a gutter cleaning business. Go to this website, call this phone number, and you can start generating relevant leads for your business today. Tip number 2 is to learn and start using social media. You may be wondering, man, okay, so I'm shooting all this long form content. How am I going to have time to manage social media as well? Well, the nice thing about that long form content is you can trim it down and start creating short form content for all the other social media networks. Repurpose those videos on Instagram Reels, on YouTube Shorts, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. The potential for small cleaning businesses in this space is enormous, and you need to jump on board right now. Okay, so we've covered how to generate awareness of your cleaning business. We really haven't talked about, okay, so how do I get an email address out of this? How do I actually get a lead now that people know I exist? Well, this is my favorite tip of all, and it's one that we use regularly here at Everest, and it has been hugely successful. Tip number 3 is to give away something for free. Now, that might sound odd. Wait, why would I give something for free if I'm trying to ask people to come and pay me for my services? Well, the nice thing about this is it allows you to showcase what you can do or what you can offer for free. It allows you to get in the door. It gives you the opportunity to have a deeper conversation with your client. Let's say you're shooting a YouTube video and it's about how to get coffee stains out of your carpet. During that video, you mention you're running a giveaway for a free single room carpet cleaning, and that the only way to enter the giveaway is to follow a link in the description and enter your email address into a form. You get an influx of email addresses trying to win this free giveaway. But not only are they trying to win a free giveaway, you know that they're interested in carpet cleaning. They were watching your video about carpet cleaning. They entered a giveaway to win a carpet cleaning. You know that these email addresses are relevant. That's the power of giving away relevant services and relevant products for free in turn for an email address. Tip number 4 is learn how to network. Now, networking just means getting involved. That could be online or that could be at events in person. You need to decide where it is that you think your customers are spending all their time. Now, if that means joining Facebook groups, if it means joining conversations on Reddit, or if it means going to the latest cleaning conference in your area, you need to get involved and start engaging in discussions to build your authority in the space. Remember, just provide value. But if you're going to network and you're going to engage in these conversations, always make sure you go into it with the CTA in mind, or a call to action. Decide what your call to action should be. Is it collecting an email address? Is it collecting a phone number? No matter what it is that you do, make sure that you always do it with a CTA in mind. Remember, while each one of these tips can be done by themselves, it's very important that you try to tie them all together if you want to maximize your lead generation for your cleaning business. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out some of these other videos for more cleaning tips, and we'll see you in the next one.